Hi, how are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make pull-apart pizza rolls today. They are delicious, engaging and very popular. Follow my recipe and you'll be able to bake them yourself. Let's get started. Have you subscribed to my channel already? I have taken 2.5 teaspoons of dry active yeast. I'll add in 2 teaspoons of sugar and about 3/4 cups of warm water. This is lukewarm water. I'll sprinkle some maida or all-purpose flour on top and let it rest for 5 minutes. This is how it's frothing up after 5 minutes. The yeast is getting activated. 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Season it with salt. Mixed it. Vegetable oil, about 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Here's the active yeast. After another 5 minutes, just add it in. Mix it up. I'll add in the rest of the water that I had saved and see how it goes. I'll add more if needed to make a soft dough. The rest of it. Just oil your palm and your work surface. Get the dough out. That's quite sticky. We'll knead it for 5 to 7 minutes or until it becomes smooth. I've been kneading it for about 5 minutes now and it has become quite manageable. Time to rest the dough. Some oil in here. Cover it with cling film and leave it in a warm place for about 45 minutes to an hour. Lightly oil your baking tray or dish with vegetable oil. The dough has risen well after an hour. Just look at the air pockets. I'll just brush some oil on the surface here. Get the dough out. Knead it lightly to knock out all the air that has built up. Divide the dough into 4 equal parts. Just cover and keep aside the ones you are not using. For the pizza filling, some chopped olives, chopped capsicum, some tomato sauce. This is the store-bought one. You could make it at home. You could even use tomato ketchup in its place. Some mozzarella cheese. Some dried basil leaves. One portion of the dough. Use some all-purpose flour to roll it out. To about an 8-inch circle. Cut it into 6 equal portions. Just a bit of the tomato sauce on each of the pieces. Capsicum. Try and get them at the base. Olives. And some cheese. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Let's roll them up. Starting from the broader side. Just try to get all the filling inside and roll it up. Once they are all done, arrange them on the baking dish and leave a little gap in between them. Let them rest for 10 to 12 minutes. Get on with the rest. A hint of cheese on top. Dried basil. And that's ready for the oven. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. That's out of the oven. Looks beautiful. See how all of it has become one big mass. So this is cooled down slightly. Use a knife to loosen the edge. Now for the moment of truth. Flip it over. That's come out all right. Flip it back one more time. Serve them warm and see how people get engaged in eating and reaching out for more.